cloud opens up new ways to extend on-premises storage capabilities for primary storage, backup, archive, and disaster recovery. This blueprint shows how the StorSimple solution provides this type of hybrid storage architecture with no end-user or application changes. The on-premises portion of the StorSimple solution runs on an appliance that contains two storage tiers: the solid-state drive, SSD tier, and the hard disk drive, HDD tier. The cloud storage tier resides in Microsoft Azure. An administrator performs several tasks, such as setting up the target Azure storage accounts, creating new StorSimple volumes, and configuring data protection policies. For applications and file servers, a StorSimple volume looks just like a normal iSCSI storage location, but the actual data might be located in any of the on-premises or cloud tiers. Let's take a look at a common scenario enabled by this hybrid storage architecture. As data is written to a StorSimple volume, it is initially stored in the fast SSD tier. As that tier approaches capacity, the oldest data is deduped, compressed, and migrated to the HDD tier on the appliance. As the HDD tier approaches capacity, the StorSimple volume encrypts and securely sends the oldest blocks to Azure Blob Storage. Azure Storage provides several features that increases the durability of data in the cloud. All data is backed by two replicas within the same data center. Geo-redundant storage also asynchronously backs up the data to a secondary data center at least 300 miles away. Local replicas are created in that data center as well. In this way, Azure protects data from both local drive failures and data center outages. When an application reads data that has been archived to the cloud, StorSimple seamlessly transfers the data from Azure Blob Storage to the SSD tier. In this solution, frequently accessed data is more likely to remain in the SSD tier, but all data is accessible to applications and users regardless of its current location. Thanks for taking the time to review this hybrid cloud storage blueprint with StorSimple. For more architecture resources, go to aka.ms/msarch.